Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Haywire Homestead. We had a bit of a fiasco last night. We had really bad winds and rain last night. I'm talking 25 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts. And I came out to feed the animals and came out to this. We knew we had two bad posts on this fence line. And apparently with the excess of moisture, our fence went down. Now, I'm not quite sure how the miracle of it happened that nobody left. We are not missing any goats. Actually, my two livestock guardian dogs are still in their well, they were still out here running around with the goats until I put them in the dog kennel to keep them in here for right now. Now, me stay in here. I'm gonna give the goats some hay, so hopefully that will keep them busy so we can get ready to try to at least prop this up and get it temporarily fixed. And then we will be setting fence posts. I was in a rush to go to work because I have to work today, so I had to call my client and tell them I will be late. But yeah, this is our fun today. Thank heavens for the tractor. So we used it to help lift the fence back up. We both have to go to work. We can't take off today. So pretty much we're going to use some 2x4s and try to at least partially secure it. And then I've got to count fence posts to see how many extras I have. That way we'll be able to replace all of these. Ones that broke off, and I guess we know what we're doing either this evening or tomorrow. Yay.
No, 37 inches right there.
37? Perfect. Okay, how about that one?
Oh no, this is the one I did, so.
That one's probably as deep as you are tall, right? What's that one?
About 37.
Okay, good. And then, okay, so we got three done up, and we're on number 4. We have, what, 8 to do?
8 to do.
So we're almost halfway through, and it is freezing cold. It is freezing cold. Go. I'm still filming. Go ahead. Try again.
This thing's old.
Happy New Year. It is New Year's Day and day 2 of trying to get the fence completed. So we are putting boards up today. The fence posts are set, done, and we're almost done with the bottom row of boards.
Yay!
Yay! We are on the home stretch, so the fence is all, the boards are all up, the posts are done, and we are stretched the actually this is welded wire fencing up over top of it. But Gabe's going to show you a useful tip when you're putting steeples in to hold your wire fencing up on the boards.
Whenever you're doing this, I'm sure lots of you have trouble with this if you've ever done this. It's whenever you're holding it, you're so close to your fingers, you're going to go
and bang your fingers.
Bang your fingers.
Okay, so what's the trick, Gabe?
So the trick is you take a pair of needle nose, you put it on one side of the steeple.
Okay, now what?
Preferably near towards the top, so you have that bit to bang and then that bit to go in. So
okay.
then
you put it in place.
You put it in place.
Where are you putting it? And then you can let go.
Now I can let go.
Finish banging it in.
And finish banging it in. So, tip, needle nose pliers. They are so helpful, and yeah.
Ta-da! It is done. Thankfully, it only took us 2 days to get this fence completed. It probably wouldn't have taken us as long if we wouldn't have had to wait for the concrete to cure, but alas, it is done.